What happens when cursed energy reaches its boiling point and sorcerers are forced into a deadly tournament with no escape? The Culling Games are about to begin and Jujutsu Kaisen is about to get more brutal, twisted, and unpredictable than ever. Brace yourself because survival is no longer the goal, it's the price for power. Hold on to your seats, Jujutsu Kaisen fans, because the Culling Game arc is about to flip the entire series upside down. This isn't just another arc, it's a brutal high-stakes survival game designed by Kenjaku to force sorcerers and cursed users into deadly combat across multiple colonies. The rules are twisted, the stakes are sky high, and the consequences are devastating. Yuji Itadori is thrown into the chaos, but this time he's not just fighting enemies, he's battling his own morality, guilt, and the ever-looming presence of Sukuna. And just when you think Yuji is in control, Sukuna unleashes a betrayal so shocking it changes the entire trajectory of the story. Meanwhile, Maki Zenon steps into the spotlight as a cold-blooded, unstoppable force, channeling her inner Toji and wrecking anyone who crosses her path. Then there's Kinji Hakari, whose gambling-themed domain expansion makes him literally unkillable during his jackpot mode. It's one of the most overpowered moments in the entire series. And let's not forget Hajime Kashimio, an ancient powerhouse who's been waiting centuries for a shot at Sukuna. And when he finally enters the fray, it's an explosion of lightning, rage, and raw cursed energy. Every battle in this arc is cinematic, chaotic, and emotionally gut-wrenching. Domain expansions clash, characters evolve or die trying, and the power scaling shoots through the roof. But underneath all the action, Kinjaku's true plan begins to unfold. He wants to evolve humanity by merging them with cursed energy, and terrifyingly, he might actually succeed. The Culling Game is not just a war, it's a turning point that will reshape everything we thought we knew about Jujutsu Kaisen. The stage is set, the players are chosen, and the bloodbath is inevitable. The Culling Games aren't just a battle of strength, they are a test of fate, strategy, and sacrifice. Stay tuned to Screen Explain TV for more breakdowns, theories, and exclusive updates. And remember, in this game, only the cursed survive.